Hey there, a very happy Wednesday to you. I'm King 5 meteorologist Ashley Ruiz with a look at your Seattle, Washington forecast. It's not going to be nearly as warm today. We spent 5 days in a row with highs in the upper 80s to lower 90s, so well above normal, but that is going to change today. It's still going to be warm. It's going to be pretty muggy, but we'll have a nice little break before we heat things right back up into the mid 80s starting tomorrow. Once again, we'll introduce the chance for a couple of showers and maybe even a couple of thunderstorms, but more so in the Cascade Mountains and the Olympics today and potentially into our Thursday as well. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast for Seattle. Highs today generally in the 70s for most, but a couple of spots, depending on how many peaks of sun we get, could bump up into the lower 80s. But the mid 80s return Thursday and Friday, and over the weekend we'll have a couple of showers around with temperatures in the 70s. Now next week for Labor Day and Tuesday, some uncertainties in the forecast for now, but we're keeping rain chances out of the forecast at least as of Wednesday with highs near 80. That could definitely change, but let's get through the next couple of days and then we'll keep you posted. Here's a look at the big picture over the Pacific Northwest right now and the interior Northwest. We have a lot of moisture. We have a disturbance in place, an upper low, and some of this moisture could make its way over the Cascades and into the lowlands and foothills of western Washington. And so we'll have that chance for some rain at least through early tomorrow, Thursday. I also wanted to show you this. This just means this light green. That means that there is a chance for a non-severe thunderstorm today. And not just up in the mountains, but everywhere in western Washington, even on the east side of the Cascades. If any thunderstorms develop, they would produce lightning and gusty winds, which we know we don't need that considering we have dry fuels in place, and with it just being so dry and then we had all this heat, we are concerned about the potential for some new wildfires. So we have this red flag warning in place through this evening, 8 o'clock tonight, for the Eastern Olympics and the Cascades. And the latest run of the Futurecast shows that potential of some showers developing, especially once we get that instability building this afternoon. We'll have showers over the Cascades and the Olympics, and some of this precipitation, some of this moisture could make its way over the Cascade foothills and over the lowlands from about Seattle northward and over the northern Olympic Peninsula and the islands late tonight. But we're expecting generally light showers, but we'll welcome anything at this point. A look around Washington this morning. It's been beautiful despite the cloud cover. You can see a good bit of haze off in the distance as well. And I wanted to show you this because this was our sunrise earlier this morning, and what we have, the sun rays, and when this happens, we have sunlight. It's shining through these cloud gaps, as you see right there, and the sunlight scatters off of these particles in the atmosphere. And in this case, we have a good bit of haze, wildfire smoke, as well as some of those pollutants in place. And so you see all this light blue, that indicates some light smoke, and most of it should be aloft, but they will be close enough to the ground to have some drops in our air quality today, running about moderate. High temperatures today, again, depending on how many sun breaks we get, we're talking highs in the mid and upper 70s for Puget Sound. Some spots may get trapped in the lower 70s, but we're cooler nonetheless. Overnight temperatures still on the very muggy side, above normal in the 50s and 60s. But tomorrow, that's when we start to heat things right back up into the mid 80s. For the weekend forecast, the coast will have 60s, clouds, afternoon sunshine, and for Labor Day near 70. Puget Sound, highs generally in the 70s, a couple of sprinkles on Sunday, and as I mentioned, still some uncertainty. If you're planning on camping over the weekend, overall pretty good, but there is that chance we get some of those showers as well. But so far, so good. It's just Saturday where we'll have the greatest chance for a couple of showers, and even then should be on the light side.